Canine kennel cough is an upper respiratory tract infection that affects the nose, throat, and trachea. It's also called infectious tracheobronchitis or canine infectious respiratory disease complex, and is as common in dogs as it is in humans. Kennel cough spreads between dogs in the same way as upper respiratory diseases are transmitted between people. There are many vaccines that can prevent or reduce kennel cough in dogs, but not as many that can protect humans from colds. The causes of kennel cough can be caused by a variety of bacteria and viruses. Although a dog can be infected by one of these pathogens, it is possible for kennel cough to spread to multiple organisms. Kennel cough is caused by a dog that sneezes or coughs or rubs his nose against a kennel wall or human. Nancy Kerns. Bordetella pneumoniae is a bacteria that can cause kennel cough. It can be the primary agent or secondary to a virus. Mycoplasma, a bacteria found naturally in dogs' respiratory tracts, is known as. It can cause clinical signs in dogs if it is present with another primary agent, such as bronchiseptica, or a virus. Kennel cough can also be caused by viruses. These include canine adenovirus 2, CAV2, canine parainfluenza virus, CPiV, canine herpesvirus, CHV, and canine Distemper virus, CDV. Canine coronavirus, which can cause kennel cough in dogs, is not the same as the coronavirus that causes COVID-19 among humans. Although the canine influenza viruses H3N2 or H3N8 are implicated in kennel cough cases, they are not the same influenza viruses that cause seasonal influenza in humans. Dogs can become ill from kennel cough if they are afflicted with one of the primary agents. These opportunistic bacteria include PseduomonasPasteurella, or the coliform class of bacteria. Kennel cough can be spread through close contact with infected dogs, their respiratory secretions, and other dogs. The respiratory secretions are aerosolized drops from coughing, sneezing, saliva, or nose discharge. They can be left on surfaces such as walls, floors, ceilings, bowls, blankets, and clothes. It is easy to spread between dogs who attend doggie daycare, dog parks, groomers, training classes, or doggie daycare. The incubation period is the same as for humans with the common cold. Dogs may shed one of the organisms that causes kennel cough, but not show signs of illness. This is known as the incubation time. The length of the incubation period can vary from organism to organism. It can be as short or as long as 14 days. It is vital to vaccinate against kennel cough. You can reduce your risk of getting kennel cough by making sure that your dog has been properly vaccinated. Vaccines can be obtained for bronchiseptica, CAV2, CPiV and CDV, as well as both canine influenza strains. There are 3 types of vaccine available for bronchiseptica: injectable, intranasal, and oral. You can either use the intranasal vaccine to protect against bronchiseptica alone or combine it with the vaccine for CPiV. The vaccine is administered once and then it is boosted annually. The vaccines for CDV, CAV2 and canine parvovirus are combined. This vaccine is also known as the DAP vaccine, for Distemper, Adenovirus and Parvovirus. This vaccine also includes CPiV. The combination vaccine is administered every 2 to 4 weeks to puppies from 6 weeks old to 16 weeks old. It is boosted 1 year after the last dose, and every 3 years thereafter. The canine influenza vaccine offers some protection against both strains of influenza that have been detected in the United States. The vaccine is administered in a 2-dose series, 2 to 4 weeks apart. It is then boosted annually. Remember that vaccines are not always 100% effective. Even if your dog is fully vaccinated, it's still possible for them to get kennel-cough. Your dog's illness may be caused by an organism they have not been vaccinated against. This will make their recovery times shorter and more manageable. Other prevention strategies: we cannot live in a bubble that protects us from respiratory illness. There are steps you can take to stop the spread of kennel-cough. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. Visit our website for more information at www.topdogadvisor.com.